Hi, I'm Ellie and I work in the admissions office here at Queen Mary University of London. Clearing is still a great way to get into a really good university. As a Russell Group institution, Queen Mary University of London has over 130 years of teaching excellence, and you may be able to find your ideal course with us through Clearing. Whether you're a student from UK, the EU or overseas, Clearing enables you to secure a place at university if you haven't met the conditions of your existing offer or if you haven't applied to university yet. If you already have your results, you can contact us from the 5th of July when early clearing starts. If you are waiting for your final results, then you can contact us on A-Level Results Day, 16th of August. If you would like to join Queen Mary in Clearing, then check out all the useful clearing information on our website, sign up to our inquiry form so we can keep you up to date with all our latest clearing news. If you haven't had a chance to see our campus yet, you can sign up for a tour with one of our student ambassadors. Keep an eye on what subject areas will be coming into clearing at Queen Mary. We'll publish these on our clearing website. You can then visit our course finder to see the specific programmes we have in those areas. Write down the ones you're interested in. On results morning, keep calm, don't panic, call. You may have to wait, but someone will be with you as soon as possible. Make sure you have your UCAS number and grades ready, and when you get through, one of our friendly clearing hotline operators will guide you through the process. We wish you the best of luck with your exams, and if you decide to make a clearing application, we hope to welcome you here at Queen Mary in September.